introducing the ultimate outdoor playground experience for kids. The 2-unit FRP MAPS, designed to ignite the imagination and foster hours of fun-filled adventure. This customized masterpiece combines safety, durability, and vibrant aesthetics to create an unforgettable play environment. At the heart of the 2-unit FRP MAPS is a symphony of color and excitement. Picture this: a dazzling FRP spiral slide in vibrant yellow and red hues, inviting little explorers to spiral their way down in a whirl of giggles and joy. Next up, the FRP wave slide in striking yellow, offering a thrilling descent that promises endless thrills. But the excitement doesn't end there. Behold the FRP straight slide, beckoning with its bold red allure, providing yet another avenue for kids to race towards boundless adventure. Connecting these exhilarating elements is a sturdy bridge, adding an extra layer of excitement and challenge to the play experience. And let's not forget the artistic touch that elevates the 2-unit FRP MAPS to a whole new level. Adorning the bridge is an enchanting animal art plate, captivating young minds with its whimsical designs and inspiring imaginative play. Crafted with top-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail, safety is paramount with the 2-unit FRP MAPS. Parents can rest easy knowing their little ones are free to explore, climb, and slide to their heart's content in a secure and controlled environment. So, whether they're conquering the spiral slide, riding the waves, or crossing the bridge to adventure, the 2-unit FRP MAPS promises an immersive play experience that will leave kids wide-eyed with wonder and eager for more.